Yo, what is up guys? Cameron here in my garage today to bring you guys a brand new review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Atoto A6 Pro, which is an Android car radio. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what you get inside the box, installing this, and giving you my full review after using it and showing you all the features. If you're interested in checking this out, it retails on Amazon for around $200. It depends on which trim level you get, but they do have several different models in there, so make sure to check it out. I'll have a link in the description down below where you can check out their store and all their other Android car radios. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video though. I'll show you what you get in the box, how to install this, and if this Android car radio is worth your money. Okay, so we are going to get a couple different things inside the box. I'll just go over those one by one, and then I'll probably do a time-lapse of us installing it because I don't want to cover every single detail. The first thing you're going to get is going to be screen protectors right there to put on the front of the screen if you do want to put those on there, or if you want to leave them off, you can. You're also going to get a USB hookup right here. This is so you can have USB externally, you know, plug in your phone. This can run through your dash, through an air vent, anything like that, so you have that option. You're also going to get a microphone, which is used for hands-free talking. You can hook this up and run it through the top of your dash or wherever you want it to be, but I'm glad they include this. We have a little mount right here which goes to the mounting harness for this device, which is in here. You do have to order a separate mounting harness depending on what your car's, you know, kind of dashboard setup is. For this, we're going to be installing it on a Mazda 3, so we do need a mounting rack and then also a wiring harness, which is in here as well. Then you're going to get the GPS device right here, which you plug in, and this is how you're going to be able to, you know, use the GPS features on this device. Then we have the weather feature right here, which measures temperature. And finally, the wiring that we're going to hook into this device and then hook into the wiring harness I do have in here. So let's go ahead and put this camera in the back of the car. We're going to set it up, and then we're going to install this. And then once we do that, I'll show you every single feature of the device, and we'll go over exactly what it brings to the table. Alright, so what you're seeing now is time-lapsed footage of the Atoto A6 being installed in this Mazda 3. If you want to go ahead and skip ahead and skip all this time-lapse footage, feel free to use the timestamp on the screen to skip to that part of the video. I'll also have it linked in the description down below if you want to click it on your phone, and it will automatically skip ahead. If you want to stick around and watch it being installed, feel free, but this is just sped up footage, so if you want to skip ahead, click that link in the description or follow the timestamp on the screen. Alright, now that we got the radio installed, you can get a better look at what the screen actually looks like. This is a 7-inch full HD touchscreen. It's running at a resolution of 1024 by 600, and the software that actually is powering the whole Android operating system is going to be their own kind of modified system. It's Atoto Ace OS 9.4, and it's built around the Android 6.0 Marshmallow OS. So that's some details on the screen and the OS, but what I'm showing you right now on screen is going to be me running through all the different settings and applications that come installed on this device, just to give you an overview of what this can do. I'm going to discuss some specs, but really I think the best course of action is going to be for you to go to the Amazon page and check out this listing. It has all the details on there, so if I miss anything, they'll definitely have the information included on the Amazon listing. But moving on, I want to overview some of the main features of this radio that I think set it apart and make it a great option if you're in the market for a car stereo. So number one is going to be the connectivity options that you do have on this device. It has a micro SD slot, it has a USB slot, it has an aux slot, and it has Bluetooth capabilities. So at the end of the day, you're really able to connect and view media any way you want to on this device. You can Bluetooth your phone up, you can hook it up via aux, you can plug in a micro SD card, or if you just want to use a USB and be able to charge your phone and play music at the same time, you can do that as well. So really it has you covered on every single base, and it has AM FM radio, so you're going to be able to connect anyway and listen to any media that you might want to. Now let's say you didn't want to listen to the radio or stream content through your Android or iPhone. You can actually hook this up to your phone through tethering or to a public Wi-Fi and stream content directly to this device. It works exactly like an Android tablet, so you could download any app that you'd be able to get from the App Store onto here. So you could stream Netflix, you could stream YouTube. As long as you have a Wi-Fi signal, you're able to stream content directly through the device. So it functions basically as an Android tablet, which is awesome. So I'm not advising you to stream YouTube videos obviously while you're driving, but hypothetically you could through your phone's hotspot. So this device really gives you every functionality that an Android device does, just in your car. So that's really all the main features of the Atoto A6 that really make it stand out from a traditional car radio, especially if you don't have a touchscreen one already. I think this is a fantastic upgrade. In terms of quality overall, I think this is a well-made device. The screen resolution looks great. The touchscreen is really responsive, and I think it's really well made. The UI that they have built in here is very easy to navigate. It's very functional. So really overall, I have no complaints whatsoever on this device. I think the price point is really great. It's really middle of the road, so you know it's much more reasonable than a lot of other car radios you might find on the market, especially touchscreen ones, and I think that this one stands out in its quality. So would definitely recommend this to anyone that's looking to pick up this device. But like I said, check out their Amazon page for more details. I may have missed out on some of the specs, but if you want to go check out over there, they have everything listed out, so I'm sure they're going to be able to cover it for you. Alright, so in conclusion, I would definitely recommend this car radio to anyone that's in the market for a specific stereo for your car. I think having Android functionality is really awesome, and going from not having it to having it is a big difference. So if you're interested in checking out, like I said, visit the Amazon page. I'll have it linked in the description down below. You can check out all their other products, because I do sell several other car radios, but I can say from my experience the A6 is a great car stereo. Anyways guys, that is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll have new content coming consistently here soon. Also leave a like rating on the video if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out a lot. Let me know in the comments section down below if there's any specific products you'd like to see featured on the channel. I'll do my best to do videos on those. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.